Okay, guys, hope you're well. We're about to go to market on oil. It's pretty much getting ready now. I'll do a candle count back, etc. I'll show you where it come from. I'm going to drop my order in now. It's a short scalp. It's bounced off the level, so I'm going to take it down into 5 minutes. There it is there. Just going to put an order on here and try and get it further down. We're going to run for 8 pips. Okay, so I'm just going to drop that there. Bash. Right, so that order's in for 8 pips. Okay, that is there. And we're going to follow the price down and then try and get it up. Where's it come from? Well, as usual, the guys in the squad have requested it. And these videos, what you see, the kind of guerrilla approach videos. Talking to gorillas. I haven't got my coffee, monkey.
You've got a monkey?
You haven't got coffee.
What you got a monkey for?
Because I haven't got me money in your nuts. If you ask nicely, you get a banana.
Bit of a riddle.
Yeah, not really. A big banana, good banana, right? Yeah, hey, I'm beautiful today. I'm going plastic surgery today. So, going to be a Kardashian. Shut up, you. What was I saying? Right, if we come down here into request videos, little mole murderer there, Adrian. Yes, looked at oil. As soon as I do it, I do full breakdowns for them, which is kind of here. They can come in, they can see it, and then there I am there, breaking the chart down, showing them exactly what it is, scoring it out for them, etc. Now, if they missed it in there, because that's running chat, as you can see, they're talking all the time. If they come to the Trader Clinic, which is here, market updates, I do 2 elements for them. The first element is obviously the breakdown, so it's a copy of the video, so it's here, so you can see it. But then it's also what my opinion of it is at a certain time. Now, what this is telling me, and I'll put the bigger version up so you can see it. I only wanted to show you that so you can see it went in ahead of the trade. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. Okay, it's tanked off. I'm not too worried about that because it means I can now add into the trade and get a better price. What it's telling me is there isn't much going on in the higher time frames. So I've got to be really careful. The low time frame was selling, but the trade itself was actually buying. So I was looking to buy in the face of a sell. Now I'm just putting a second order in because it's just about to hit the level that I want to go to. Right, that's it. Just drop that to the same target. I'll come back to that. Sorry, it's on my other screen, which is my trading screen. The low time frames are selling. But the general consensus when I've done the analysis is it's for a push up of a short-term buy in the face of that. Okay, so that's what this is all about. It told me it was risky, and it was risky at the time when I was going to go to market, so I have to wait for it to get to one of the key levels that I'm after, and then away we go. Okay, so we've got all of that scenario sorted out, so we'll put that to one side. Now what we can see is it's triggered. Got another order triggered here. Again, I've missed that because I was talking to you guys, but the trade itself is going to run to the top of this zone, which is here. So it's stepped back slightly to give me my 8 pips, and then I'd be more than happy for it just to push in, get it, and then job's done. I would have liked that trade to have triggered, but it hasn't, so I'm not really fussed. Because this particular position is working for itself. And then if I'm wrong and I get sort of through this barrier and through these barriers, so if I step that back out slightly, you'll see there's a swing point there. Be very cautious of that swing point. And then I might possibly be wrong and I've just got to take the medicine and get out. But at the minute, seems all right. And it's playing in this trading arena here that I've marked out. So let me play it out and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, guys, that's job is done. Let me get my tickets out the way. Get into a habit of deleting tickets. I have in the past forgot to do my tickets. And what happens is, in a situation like this, where it is actually going against the grain, you might leave them in and then get caught. And then you know about it. I work hour to hour, remember that. I started this about 10 past 10, it's now 10:45. I was trading for this hour, okay? And it's come through, and then there you go. So in the last sort of hour and a half or so, 150 quid, live with that. I'm done for the day now, but let's be honest, what the fuck do I know? I know nothing, apparently.
Nothing about nothing.
I know nothing. I'm from Durham, obviously thick as shit.
You said it.
Well, you're not right. I've got a shit here. Look, see, you got a shit.
Really?
Well, you bought it.
That was supposed to be a daft Christmas present.
Well, I like it. See, I play with the shit.
No.
Smell the shit. It's a good representation of my emails on a morning. I wake up every morning to somewhere between 10 and 20 emails. My WhatsApp pings and pangs all the time. And a good 70 of them is this. Because they're not really talking to me, they're just abusing me. And it kind of gets on your nerves from time to time. It genuinely does. And all I'll say is, would you do it? The answer's probably no. Anyway, did that for Mole Murderer. Happy days, my kid. I'll talk to you a bit later. And that's it. Catch you soon.